Configuration files contain user-definable preferences for a variety of feature settings. The majority of these can be stored at a program or project level. The only configuration files that are limited to individual projects are wire and line diagram styles. All configuration managers have the same design. Program configurations are shown on the left of the dialog and project level files on the right with the same command sets for each type above them. All program level files are shown in red-brown throughout the program, while files held at a project level are in green. A bold configuration file indicates that it has been selected as a default in the currently active project. Where default configuration files with the same name are held at a program and project level, the project configuration will be used by default. Having duplicate names can lead to confusion, so it is recommended that the names of configuration files are changed to reflect any alterations made to them. Due to the configuration name creating the link to the project, changing the name means it is no longer the default and a manual update needs to be carried out in the project configuration settings.